Question 17, 2019, you are told that a rectangle of water tank measures 2.4 long. So let's just have a small sketch here on how the tank looks like. That the tank measures 2.4 and 1.5, that is when it's complete. The tank contains water. This time the water has reached a certain depth here and it is 0.45. Calculate the amount of water in liters needed to fill up the tank. So to find the amount of water to fill up the tank, remember, for it to be complete, it should be 1.5, but we only have 0.45. Therefore, the remaining height will be 1.5 minus 0.45. So that one gives us 1.05. Therefore, the remaining water will be volume is equals to length times width times height. But because they want it in liters, we divide by, we multiply by 1,000. So I'll say volume is equals to the base, which is 2.4 times 2 times 1.05 times 1,000. Therefore, we'll have our volume to be 5,040 liters remaining for it to be full. Question part B, you are told an inlet water was opened and water led to flow into the tank at the rate of 10 liters per minute. So let us see. After 1 hour, so we have the water in, they opened, so and they also have the water out. So, and here we have 10 liters per minute. But the water going out, it's at the rate of 4 liters per minute. So they want to see, remember, this one will run for 3 hours. Therefore, it will be 3 times 10 times, because it's in minutes and we are talking about hours, we multiply by 60. So the water in after 3 hours will be 1,800. And what about the water out? It will be 4 times which is the rate, times 2 hours. Remember, this was only opened after an hour, so it was remaining 2 hours, times 60. So the water that came out at this point was 480 liters. Therefore, it is going to make the water now remaining inside to be 1,800 minus 480, which is 1800 minus 48, 1320 liters. Therefore, after that, we are now going to look at the height of the tank. So to find height of the tank, we are just going to divide what will give us that, because the length of the tank already we know it's 2.4 times 2. So the new height will be 1320 divided by 2.4 plus 2. However, this is the new height that have been added. The water already had got 0.45, so plus 0.45, and at that you'll find that the new height of the water will be 0.725 meters. Just don't forget that the answer that you get here is supposed to be divided by 1,000 because the liters. So you can just do this one divided by 1,000 at this point, that we have 1, 2, 3 at 0, then we cancel off that. So that is the new height of the tank. Now the total time taken to fill up the tank. Initially, first of all, we had got 3 hours that started, plus now the new one we have 2.4, which is the base, times the new height 0.775. Where are we getting 0.775? If the height is supposed to be, the original height is supposed to be 1.5, just take 1.5, we subtract 0.725, therefore you get 0.775. That's what we are going to use here. Divide by, remember it is in minutes, so we have to convert it again into hours. so giving us the total time to be 13 hours, 20 minutes, which is a third hours. So that is the time taken.